Today we are going to talk about the future simple. The future simple, what do you mean by the future simple? And what is the function of the future simple? What are the forms that we can use when we talk about something in the future? So the simple future refers to a time later than now. So to a time that will happen after this present moment. So here in this timeline, you can see here the past and the point here in the present, but everything that will happen after that, it will be in the future and we call it future activity. So the thing that will happen a moment after this, it is also a future activity. Types of future tense. So here we are going to talk only about two forms, will, the modal, will, and be going to. Be going to. Be, it means that we are going to change it into the verbs to be. They are is, are, am, and both of them, will and be going to, they are both followed by the base form of the verb, by the verb one. So, since we are talking about the future, why did he put for us two forms? Because for each form we use it for something special for it. Okay, for some conditions which are far different from the other one. So let's start with the will. When do we use will in the future simple? To talk about sudden decisions. To talk about sudden decisions. Like, I'm thirsty. When did I feel thirsty? Now I'm thirsty. I think I'll buy a drink. Okay? I think I will buy a drink or I'll buy. Okay? So they are both the same. So now I I feel or I'm feeling now thirsty, so now I decide to buy a drink. The second one, prediction based on a personal opinion. A prediction, but it is based on my opinion, not on a fact, not on something that will absolutely happen. I think United will win today. I think United will win today. So I'm based here on what? I'm predicting according to something that will happen? No, on my personal opinion. So here we have to use will plus verb one, when. Facts or things that we believe they are true. The things or the facts or the rules that are always true. The weather is cold, I will wear my jacket. Like the weather is cold, I will wear my jacket. So here, of course, when the weather is cold, for example, I have to go to the beach. No, of course, I will wear my jacket. What about the going to? Here in the going to, we talk about the future plans. Future plans. So there is no sudden decisions in the going to form. I'm going to visit my aunt next Friday. So here I'm making a plan for next Friday to visit my aunt. So since the subject is I, we add am, going to plus verb one. Prediction based on a present evidence. And when we have a prediction, but it is based on an evidence, but I have something to prove for it, the sky is cloudy. It is going to rain heavily. For example, if I did not say, if we omit the sky is cloudy and there is only it is going to rain heavily, is it correct? No, because here I'm based to what? To my opinion. But when I say the sky is cloudy, I have a proof, I have an evidence. So since the sky is cloudy, it is going to rain heavily. Don't forget, of course, that I will equals I'll and we will, of course, equal will. Will not is the same as want. The keywords, what are the keywords that we use to talk about the future? Next, next month, next year, next week, in, with any future date, tomorrow, soon, and later.